Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens this week. I'm going to show you the deals that I did, how I got everything for less than $4. I'll also share some additional deals that you don't see here, including grocery deals, and clearance pictures will be at the end of the video. First of all, happy Labor Day weekend. I feel lucky that my birthday week is Labor Day weekend, so I get a 3-day holiday, except for the fact that I'm working right now, and will likely be working again tomorrow. But I'm curious, how are you spending your Labor Day weekend? What fun thing are you doing? If you're doing something fun, I have some friends coming over to hang out later today, so that'll be nice. And then I haven't decided on tomorrow. Likely we'll do some work, but I kind of want to sneak in some fun stuff tomorrow as well. Thank you to everyone for the birthday wishes. It was a good birthday. I did lots of fun stuff, so I appreciate all of your sweet comments. One thing, a deal I want to share before I jump into Walgreens. Now that I have my newer vehicle, I can actually take advantage of this offer. If you've never tried out Sirius XM radio, you can try it out completely free for 3 months. You don't have to provide any type of payment information, so it is a legit offer. I will drop the link to that offer down in the comments section below, and I'll pin it for you. That's on my list to do this weekend, is sign up for it, because I haven't had a vehicle new enough to be able to do that deal. All right, Walgreens. I want to tell you about the one I did in store first. The rest I did as curbside. So this Braun trimmer, all-in-one trimmer, you can do it in store, you could do it curbside. It's a better deal in store because there are register rewards for this deal. So it is priced at $24.94. That is a curbside price. That's what it was marked in store as well. I had a $10 digital coupon, so I paid $14.94. I got back a $5 register reward for purchasing it, as well as a second $5 register reward for spending at least $20, making it just $4.94. Because this is a register reward deal, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay. I did. I used my Walgreens cash to pay, and you're still going to get both of those register rewards back. If you have register rewards, you could use those to pay as well. So that's a really easy in-store deal that you could snag this week. Now, curbside. The rest of these deals I did curbside because I had a spend booster of spend 40, get 10 on a pickup order. Now, when I was in the app, it was not showing that $10. Regardless of how much product I put in my cart, it was not showing that $10. But when I picked it up, I did in fact get the $10. So if that was a question you had this morning, do know that I got those $10 with that spend 40, get 10 on a pickup order. Now, later this week, I had a spend 25, get 6, I believe, but that didn't start until 9/5. So not sure if I'm going to be using that one later in the week or not, but I might be. Okay, so these are the individual deals, and then I'll tell you how I put them together. Now, last week I posted this one, but I didn't actually get it. This Airwick right here is $7.99. There is a $7 digital coupon that is attaching, making it just 99 cents. And that's a high-value digital, so it's nice to incorporate into spend deals. Now, the Tresemme this week is buy 2, get a $5 register reward. This one does work if you do it curbside for getting $5 in Walgreens cash instead of that register reward. Not all deals will do that. This one does. So these are $6 each. That's 12 bucks. There is a $4 digital coupon. So you'll pay $8. If you do it in store, you'll get a $5 register reward. If you do it curbside, you'll get $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Now, the Children's Astapro, I finally got the high value offer on Fetch yesterday. So this Children's Astapro is $14.99. The Fetch Rewards offer I had was for $8 back. There's also a $5 digital. So I paid $9.99, got $8 back on Fetch Rewards, leaving it to be just $1.99. If you're brand new to Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional bonus when you sign up. I do have a full tutorial on how Fetch Rewards works as well. There's also a coupon code that you can use for a curbside purchase. That coupon code is FUN15. That will come off on a $25 or more purchase. So I did use that one as well when I was putting my deal together for this morning. Now, the Gillette deal is buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get $8 in Walgreens cash. So I purchased two of the Gillette Venus. One is $12.49. The other is going to ring up half price at $6.24. I had a $3 digital. So I paid $15.73. Got back $8 in Walgreens cash, leaving my final cost to be $7.73 for both, or $3.86 each. Now, if your store has the men's Gillette, you could do one women's Venus, one men's Gillette. There's a $3 digital for the men's as well. So that is a better deal, but my store didn't have that one, which is why you see the two women's razors here. Now, we're going to talk about this one here in a second. These are all the items that I did in my curbside purchase, okay? Each of these individual deals, just the way I said them, but I put them together because that got me to at least $40 after the Walgreens coupon code of FUN15 came off. So the FUN15 took off $5.21 for all of this, okay? So all of these deals just got better because that FUN15 took off $5.21. That left me to pay $29.50 after all of the coupons came off. I got back the $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $40 on a pickup order. I got back $5 for the Tresemme, $8 for the Gillette, $8 for the Astapro, meaning all of this was free and $1.50 moneymaker. So that's how I used my coupon, of course, because it is a spend booster. I did spend that, the total after the coupons, I did spend that in actual cash or credit card versus using any Walgreens cash to pay. But I did get all of that money back, leaving me to have all of these items for free and a little bit of a moneymaker. Now, I turn around and use my Walgreens cash on all sorts of deals, like this one that I said gave me the register rewards back. But I also do grocery deals with my Walgreens cash. I'll buy the medicine that we need when it's on sale using Walgreens cash. I buy clearance items using Walgreens cash. I never have an issue finding a way to use my Walgreens cash on good deals. Now, a couple other deals that you might consider: the bags, the sandwich baggies, the freezer bags. They're buy one, get two free. That makes them 93 cents a box. The complete home trash bags are $1.99 on sale. The Nice Brand chips are $1.99 on sale. Lay's and Doritos are both 2 for $7. Tide products, again, are 4 for $9. You can use any of the digital coupons that you have for that. I used up my digital coupons last week doing the Tide deal. One more thing, the Planters peanuts. That was a good deal as well. I want to say it was 2 for $5, and there was a $1.50 digital coupon, but that was a good deal if you're needing some peanuts. Now, this one I could not do because my store didn't have the products, but I had these already at home, so I wanted to show you the deal. You can purchase 2 of these stain erasers at $3. There's a $3 digital coupon, so you would pay $3 in store, get back a $3 register reward in store, making your final cost free for both of these. Now, I have a ton of register rewards from this week and last week, and I need to make sure that I actually use them. Register rewards are not my favorite. I much prefer Walgreens cash because that kind of just rolls over from month to month. But the register rewards, I'm going to out myself here. Sometimes I forget to use them and I lose them. But I did notice, and I'll put this in the picture at the end of the video, there were some K-Cups on clearance, and y'all know I have a coffee addiction. They were marked down to $5.49, so I did use a couple of my $5 register rewards from last week to buy some of those K-Cups. And that P&G coupon that prints that says you can use it on your next purchase of P&G products, it works on anything. I actually used it on my K-Cups without any issues. So just in case y'all had that question, those $5 register rewards you can use on anything in the store except for the things that it normally excludes, like the lottery tickets and the tobacco and the dairy products, that kind of stuff. Okay, I think that is everything that I wanted to mention for Walgreens. Let us know what you're getting down in the comments if you find an amazing deal. And I hope y'all have a wonderful Labor Day weekend and you're doing something extra fun. Thanks.